In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix YouTube error code 15 on iPhone or Android device. First thing you want to do is clear cache for the app. For that, launch settings, navigate to the option general, click on iPhone storage. From the list of apps, find YouTube and launch it. Now click on a float app, confirm it and reinstall app. For the Android device, what you want to do is press and hold on the YouTube app, click on app info. Now navigate to the section storage, click on clear cache, likewise click on clear data. With this, your problem might be fixed. Next thing you want to do is check if you are connected to any VPN. If you are connected to any VPN service, disconnect to it. Next thing you want to do is if you are experiencing error code 15 within the YouTube browser, you can launch your browser, then refresh that page. Likewise, click on the eye next to the refresh button and tap on cookies and site data. From there, click the trash icon and delete the data. Afterward, restart your phone and try accessing YouTube again. If none of these solutions work, completely delete YouTube from your device and reinstall it. And that's it. With these solutions, you'll be good to go. Your problem will be resolved. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.